Miller products, I should say.
Can you flip it? Can you flip it?
No, we're not going to flip it yet.
Oh.
You can go ahead and set the tongs down.
I don't want to put the towel down.
Okay.
I don't have my hands. Okay, I'm going to towel down.
Okay.
I have these. Oh.
Don't you put that in your mouth.
Hey, Mama.
Thank you. What?
But I hope we don't have another fire like last year. Stop.
Oh, yeah.
Because if we do, and this tree gets hit again, yeah.
Yeah, it's gone.
This is our baby pillow pets. And your whole family of pillow pets. Pillow pets! It's a pillow. It's a pet. It's a pillow pet. Da 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 da. Da da da.
See that this side over here is hot.
Can I do something with me? Can I do something with Daddy? Why?
Get these over here. You're just going to turn them over a little bit.
How do you turn them over?
Just roll it a little bit. Now,
There you go.
see, babe, looks like the outside is heating up real quick. Hotter because, some of this asparagus right here, the tips are getting that char on them.
That's enough, baby.
Daddy, how do you do that? Ha!
Come on, watch what you're doing. Okay.
Get this one and turn it around. Ooh, 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 I got one.
No, that's enough.
Ooh, 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 I got one.
Okay, that's enough. That is enough.
We'll just do one more.
No. Okay, now it's time to flip it. I hear the timer.
Oh!
So grab it to the side and just turn it over. Okay, that's okay.
Let me try it. Daddy, this one is so hard for me to grab.
It's alright, little man. You're doing okay.
I'm not doing okay.
What?
Yeah, the outside is really, really hot. So I guess that's how the roasting would go.
Daddy,
And
look,
let's-
Mama,
stop,
look.
stop playing with it. And just, so my little misconceptions about the roaster part, the bear can part, because I thought that the outside wouldn't heat up as much as the inside. The outside is obviously where it's at here.
We can't eat them yet. We're cooking. We're cooking.
Since we
We're
just
cooking.
found
Mama,
that out,
so I have to
I'm
move.
going to do
Then
a
we get
flip on
spicy.
these again after it's over.
Here's
Finish going through.
Okay, dogs, get off! Stop, Bonnie!
Let's get some. baby. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Yum, yum. Bye.
Oh, lost another one.
You
This
did?
one could be easily salvageable. No, it can't.
You don't wash yourself by yourself.
Okay, so we lost two.
Okay.
So this is what you're gonna hold on before you do that, Camille.